JNU students, this is your online computer class. We are doing Microsoft Logo chapter 5 from your course book Chips and Bytes. Okay, basic commands we have done. Now, and repeat command also we have done, practical also. Now, two topics are left, that is print command and procedure. So today, first we will revise or we will take a short recap of basic commands that we have done, and then we will do the print command. So be attentive, this is the last chapter from your half-yearly syllabus. Okay, so let's start our chapter. Chapter 5, Microsoft Logo. What is logo? Logo is a programming language. Okay, and logo is used commands. We will read basic commands, then then repeat command, and using repeat command we'll make triangle, pentagon, hexagon, octagon or circle. These we have already done. Okay, now we will do the print command today, and at the end we'll do procedure in next class. Okay, so these are the basic commands that we have already done. You know very well what is FD. FD, then space, number of steps. This is the command that execute turtle in forward direction in a given number of steps. Okay, BK, space, number of steps. This will move turtle in backward direction by the given number of steps. Then we have RT, space, number of turns. What it will do? It will turn turtle towards the right side of by the given number of turns. Okay, LT number of turns, it turns turtle towards the left side by the given number of turns. Then home command will move turtle back to its starting position. Okay, then we have HT. HT stands for hide turtle. So it will hide the turtle from the screen. Okay, now once the turtle has hidden, so now you can make it reappear. For that we have ST commands. ST command will show the turtle. Okay, ST stands for show turtle. Now we have CS command to clear the output screen or main window. Okay, CT command, if we want to clear the text from where? From recall list box, we will use CT command. Then we have pen commands. Pen commands are PU, PD. PU command will lift the turtle pen up. Then PD will make the turtle pen down. It is used to make the discontinuous line. Okay. Now we have pen erase. If we want to erase any line, we will execute this command, pen erase. And again, if we want to set the pen or turtle to its normal mode, we'll use PPT. Okay. Now, next we have repeat command. You know what is the use of repeat command? Just see with this example. If we want to draw the square, what we will do? We will execute these commands. First we will move the turtle in forward direction in this way, then we will make it right turn RT90, then we will again RT90, after RT90 then FD100, then again RT90, and then again FD100. In this way we will repeat the same commands. Okay, now we have one more tool or one more command to repeat such type of actions. Okay, to reduce our command, and we can make the square in a single command. Just see, first we will see what is repeat command. Repeat command are will repeat the set of commands with a given number of time. Okay, we have single command. See, we have two commands, FD100 and RT90. This is repeated 4 times now. So what is written here? Repeat command will repeat the set of commands for a given number of time. Okay, तो उससे क्या होगा? When it will avoid the repetitive work. Okay, how? That you will see. We have already done all these things now, so I am giving you just a short recap of all this. See what is written here. FD100 and RT90 means to draw a square we are repeating these commands now, FD100 and RT90. Just see, FD100 and RT90 we are repeating these commands now. So what repeat command will do? Repeat command will repeat these commands that you want to execute as many times as you want. Here we are repeating 4 times now, so we have written here 4. Okay, square has 4 sides, so we are repeating the same command 4 times, so here we have written 4. So this is the syntax for repeat command. What? First write the repeat, then a space, then number of times you want to repeat that command, and the command that you want to execute, that you have to write in the bracket. Okay, in this way you can draw a figure without repeating commands. Okay, you have already done this. Just see, repeat 4. Instead of writing these commands 4 times, what I have written, just simply repeat keyword, then a space 4, because we are repeating 4 times, and then FD100 RT90. Okay, got it? See, this is the syntax for repeat command. Repeat commands is like that. First we have to write the repeat keyword, REPEAT, repeat, then number, as many times you want to repeat it, that command, or then this bracket and set of command, then close the bracket. Okay, the set of command should always be enclosed between the square bracket. Where you get this bracket? There are 3 types of brackets, and that is given on your keyboard. You have to put square bracket. Okay, now next, by using repeat command we can draw different figures. Now how many times you want to how many sides you have to write, that you can decide by this formula. How? 360 divided by number of sides. Okay, this you can decide the degree. See, the degree, this formula will decide the degree, or you can see in a square. In square we have RT90 na, RT90. Instead of 90 we can write 360 divided by 4 number of sides. Square has 4 sides, so we can write 360 divided by 4. The answer is 90. By this formula we can find the angle, okay, to turn the turtle. Now to draw the triangle we have this command. Just see, to draw a triangle what we will do? FD100 first, FD100 RT60, FD100 RT60. These commands will, this command will make a triangle. Okay, so now what we will do? We will use, instead of writing these commands, we will use repeat command. So for that we have repeat 3 and then FD100 RT 360 by 3. Actually we have written 360 divided by 3 because 120 and 60 degree. Okay, these are the complementary angles. Okay, so that we will draw in that way we can draw the triangle. Okay, now this is the triangle. Yeah, same thing, the triangle. we are drawing triangle. Now for pentagon, pentagon have how many sides? 5 sides. So for 5 sides we have 360 divided by 5. FD 50, you can take 50 also, you can take 100 also, you can take 200 also, whatever you want. Okay, but to how many degree it turns, that you can decide by this formula. 360 divided by 5, where 5 why 5 is written? Because pentagon has 5 sides. Okay, now see more figure. Hexagon, for hexagon we repeat 6. How many sides hexagon have? 6. So I have written 6. And then FD 50 and RT 360 divided by 6. It will decide it turn angle. Okay, how many sides? 6. So we have written 6 here. Now octagon, octagon के लिए for we have repeat 8, because octagon has 8 sides. And FD, you know, you can take 50 also or 100 also, whatever you want, 60, 80. Okay, and RT 360 divided by 8, where 8 is the number of sides. Okay, now to draw the circle, what we will do? For circle, this is the command to draw the circle. Circle turns total of 360 degree. Okay, therefore to draw a circle, 1 degree turn should be repeated 360 degree times. Just see, we have done this in practical also, na? So just remember it. It will turn 1 degree. How many times? 360 degree times. So what we here it's come 360 divided by 360. जो formula है आपका 360 by 8 ना, तो for circle it become 360 divided by 360. So here it is 1. Okay. So how many number of times sides we consider? 360. Repeat 360. How many time? What command we are going to repeat? FD1 and RT1. What command? FD1 and RT1. Okay. And in the same way, we can reduce 360 degree and we can draw other arc also. Just see, for semicircle what we will do? 360 divided by 2 क्या होगा? Semicircle is half of the circle ना, तो 360 divided by 2 क्या होगा? 180. तो we can turn it till 180. So what we will write? Repeat 180. It will draw the semicircle. Okay. Now one more figure is here. This we will do in practical. Okay. This we have not done till now. Till semicircle we have done. So this we will try. This is called nesting of repeat command. Nesting means inside a command. Okay. We will there is also मतलब एक command के अंदर दूसरी command. ठीक है. This is called nesting. Okay. So here just see, in starting we have a square. So to draw that square we have repeat 4 FD40 RT90. Okay. This will draw the first square. Now what we want? Lowest से शुरू करें. Okay. Start from lowest. This will the command will draw this square. Now what we have to do? For this portion, for this bracket, we should up our pen now. So for that we have PU. Pen up. How कितनी दूर तक? FD60. 60 for 60 step. We'll do the pen up and then again pen down and then repeat this command. Got it? For first square we have repeat 4 FD40 RT90. This will draw the first square. Then we have pen up command till 60 steps and then again repeat command will draw this square. Then again pen up and then it will again draw the last square. So how many times all these commands has been repeated? 3 times. So there here we have written repeat 3. Okay. In this way we can think and we can draw more figure. In this way you can make hexagon. आप distance ले लेके कोई भी figure draw कर सकते हो, कुछ भी try कर सकते हो. Okay. Now move to next. These type of commands are called next command, nested commands. Okay, nested repeats. Now nested repeats के लिए these are the rules. While using nested repeat, square bracket should be used carefully. Okay, it is important to close the square bracket for each repeat command. This is here now. This is the starting square bracket and this is the closing one. This is the starting one and this is the closing one. So you have to be careful, okay, while putting these brackets. Number of closing square bracket and number of opening square brackets should be same. Okay. Now for required result, mistakes are to be avoided. Be careful. Okay. Now one web activity for you, that is find the other software which are used for drawing figures and list them. That you have to do by your own. Okay. Any day I can ask you in Zoom class. Okay. Now we have print command. Be careful. This is the new concept. Now print command. Just see what print command will do. As name show, it will print that text. टेक्स्ट क्या होता है? कुछ भी, एनीथिंग जो आपके सामने लिखा होता है, जो आपको प्रिंट करना होता है, दैट इज टेक्स्ट. ओके. नाउ व्हाट प्रिंट कमांड विल डू? इट विल प्रिंट द टेक्स्ट. हाउ? फॉर दिस ऑल्सो यू हैव सम, you should follow some syntax, that is print, then see this is double quote and text on your keyboard. Just see enter keyboard से enter key से just पहले you have a key, the single quote and double quote is both are written on it. Okay, so single quote is when you simply press that key. If you want to that type the double quotes, what you have to do? You have to press the shift key along with double quotes. कैसे करना? फिर से सुनो. Enter key के just पहले you have a key on which single quotes and double quotes both are given there, and you have to type the double quotes here. This is double quote. तो double quote के लिए क्या करेंगे? कुछ भी कीबोर्ड पे the upper portion में जो भी symbol हो, if you want to type that symbol, you have to press the shift key, and then press that key. So here for double quotes, first press the shift key and then double quotes, then the that key on which quotes is given. Okay, so for that now we get that double quote. So this is the syntax for print command. Print double quote text. Okay. Now how? This is the example. See, print double quote logo, print double quote Tony, print double quote hello. If you will not write this double quote, it will give you error. It will not give you the desired result. Just see the example. To print more than one word, the print word command is used. Oh, sorry. This is the print syntax, and now see, read this and see the example. Print logo, print double quotes Tony, print double quotes hello. Now this is the pictures that show you the print command. If I write print space double quotes logo, this space is essential, इसको मत भूलना. Okay, print space double quotes logo. So what it will print? It will print logo. Okay. If I write print double quotes, print space double quotes Tony, it will print Tony. Okay. If I write print space double quotes hello, it will print hello. Okay. After the quotation mark, if you give more than one word, the logo prints only the first word and does not do anything with the other, but give an error message. Okay. What it is saying, that if you we are printing only single word na, so if you want to print one more word, you will write one more word, but that will not print. print statement will not print the second word. For that we have another option. Just see. For that we have print word command. Print word command is used to print more than one word. Just see. For that this is the syntax for it. Print word, word 1, word 2. How? For instead of writing only print, if you want to print more than one words, you have to write print word and then double quotes first word and double quotes second word. Just see here what I have to print. अभी singly हमने print किया था क्या? Tony, hello, logo. Okay, now I want to print two words simultaneously. So for that we have hello, print word space double quotes hello and then space double quotes Tony. What I have written, instead of writing only print, I have written print word. So see, it will give you output as hello Tony. Got it? And you have to put double quotes before both the words. This is compulsory. Okay, this syntax should be followed, otherwise it will give you error. Okay, now one more thing. If you want to print more than two words, what you have to do? Just simply for single word we have print. For two words we have print word double quotes first word double quotes second word. Now the question is, if you want to print more than two words, what we will do? Then you will just put the brackets between before word and at the end of that. Okay, print, this is the syntax. Just see, print then space this bracket simple bracket then word. अभी तक हमारा word जो था वो कहीं bracket नहीं था. Now if it will type two words only. If you want to type more than two words, then you have to put bracket before the word. दो वर्ड से ज्यादा टाइप करने हैं तो what you have to do? You have to just put the bracket here. अब if there is a starting bracket, there should be the closing one. Okay. Now so how to write? Print bracket word, then as many words word you want to write, just write it with double quotes and then close the bracket. Okay, this is the sentence. See the example. Print then bracket word then double quotes I double quotes M double quotes Tanu and then close the bracket, and output will be I am Tanu. Okay, this is the output. Got it? Now see, print word I am Tanu and I am Tanu. This is the what you have to do if you want to print more. अब फिर से देखते हैं एक बार. To simply print we have print, and condition is that before the word that you want to print, put the double quotes. Okay. Now to print two words we have print word. Got it? Now for more than two words we have to put bracket before the word and after the end of all the words. Okay. This now if you want to print the sentence, what we will do? If you want to print the sentence, yes, we have print sentence command. Okay, print sentence then first word and second word. Just see, for more than two words we have print. Now see, just print sentence first word and two words, and if we want more than two words we have to put the bracket. जैसे हमने word में किया था ऐसे sentence में भी we should put the bracket. Just see the example. Print sentence how are you? How are you? If you will not put the bracket, you can use you can ask now, what is the difference between the print word and print sentence? So difference is that when you use the print word and when you use the print sentence, both of the command will print only two words, but the difference is that print word करेंगे तो there is no space between two words, and when we use print sentence, word 1, word 2, it will put the space between two words. Got the difference? Print sentence and print word command में क्या difference है? Print word command will print both the words without a space, but print sentence command will print the two words with a space. Okay. Now, in the same way, if you want to print a sentence more than two words, having more than two words, okay, there is a sentence like how are you, will you please come, or whatever. ठीक है, sentence can have more than two words ना, तो for that we will use the bracket before sentence word and after the all word. Okay, and the double quote should be must before all the words. See here, we want to print how are you. What is our sentence? How are you? So what I have done, print and then bracket sentence and then how are you, and double quotes how, then space double quotes are, then space double quotes you, and answer should be output should be how are you. Okay, this is your output. Okay, now some more interesting commands that is used if you want to print the first letter, or if you want to print the last letter of a word, okay, or if you want to print the first word of a sentence, or if you want to print the last word of a sentence. We have some commands. Let's see. Print first command means what we want to print the first letter of a word. Just see. Our word is logo. What is our word? Logo. If you want to print only L is what? It is the first letter of the word. So what is the command? Print first. What is the command? Print first, then double quotes and that word. See what I have written? Print first, double quotes, logo. This command will do, it will print the first letter of the word. The first letter of the word is L, so here we will get the L. Okay. Now, अभी तक क्या था? The first letter of the word. अब we want the first word from the list of words. We have many words and we want to print the first word. So for that we will put the bracket. How? Just write print first and then word 1, word 2, word 3. Okay. Now see, print first and in bracket we will write the list of words and answer should be the first word. Got it? In this way we'll get the first word from the list of words. Okay. Now in the same way we have the command to print the last letter or word from the command. Okay. Now for print last command we have, जैसे वहाँ था print first, here we have print last. Simply print last, double quotes, logo. So what is the last? That is O. So here it is O. If we write print first, it will give you L. If you write print last, it will give you O, the last letter of the word. Okay. Now in the same way, if we have list of commands, list of words, and we have to print the last one, then we will use print last. Okay, and then put the bracket. Okay, in this way, print last, bracket word 1, word 2, word 3. Here in example you can see print last, bracket, then floppy CT tape. It will print tape. Instead of last, if it is written first, it will print floppy. If we write print last, it will print the last word, that is tape. Okay. Now the last topic, but the important one, we can do calculation in logo. Okay, and for that we have print command. Okay, print command is used to do the mathematical calculation. What are they? That is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Just simply you have to write the print and that your mathematical expression, and it will give you the result. Okay, just see. Using print command we can do the calculation. All arithmetic operators need 2 input, 2 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 10 divided by 2, 4 multiplied by 5 or 6 minus 2. So we should have 2 inputs now, 2 numbers and 1 operator. Okay, so what we have to do, just write the print, then space, then type the number, correct operator, then second number. Okay, just see the example. See the example. How? Print 8 plus 6, print 25 minus 7, print 10 plus 2. Here it is print now, just simply print command, then space, then first number, mathematical operator, second number. Okay, you will get the output as 14. Print 8 plus 6, 14. Print 25 minus 7, 18. Print 10 plus 12 minus 8, 14. Print 9 multiplied by 5, 45. Print 18 divided by 3, 6. Okay, in this way you can do the calculation using logo command. Okay, okay students, that's all for today. This is the most important command. You can use it for calculation. Till now आपने लोगों में क्या किया था? You have only draw the figure. Okay, now we have done calculations also using print command, and we can print many sentence or words as per our need. Okay, so read all the topics and all the commands that I taught you today. In next class we will do the practical and I will ask the question also. Okay, before doing the practical, so be attentive and read thoroughly all the topics. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day. Take care.